All right, guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing these landscape staples. You guys, I have them right here. I ordered them off of Amazon. You guys can see right here, they're 120 pieces. That is a lot of pieces. That's why I ordered them, because there's a lot and I have a lot of landscape to cover. And what we're actually doing is we're putting this tarp on this dirt right here so none of the weeds could come through. That way I'm not having to constantly take out weeds, okay? So this is gonna go right in here and it's gonna staple right down in there, and then it's gonna stay, and then this is gonna be good, and then we're gonna throw sod on top of it. So as you guys can see, it is 6 inches by 1. I think they have a diameter right here. Okay, so you guys can see they're 6 inches long, 1 inch wide, and then we're just gonna stake it into the ground. It has pointy edges, so it goes right up in there. I'm going to show you guys in a second, but it's also galvanized steel, so you guys know that it's outdoor rated and it's not going to rust on you. So it is good stuff right here. And then the thickness of it is 11 gauge right here. So let's go ahead and open it up, and I want to show you guys what they look like. And here they go. Like I said, 120 pieces. That is a lot, and I like it. So this is what the edges look like. You guys can see they're super sharp right there. And all we're going to do is take a mallet or a hammer. We're going to put it into the corner like so, and then we're going to dig it in and just hammer it all the way down. If you have real soft soil, you could actually push it down with your hand. Actually, let me set it up so I can kind of try to push it down. My soil is medium to hard, so yeah, I'm going to have to hammer this one down. But as you guys could see, the first part of it went through pretty easy right there. So let's get the rest of them in here. It's kind of tough because I'm doing this one-handed here. But all we got to do is hammer it, like I said, all the way down. The hammer's working perfectly fine, or you guys could grab a mallet. But I stuck it right down in there, and then we're just going to keep going, and we're going to get all the corners down. And then, like I said, we got 120, so we're going to be putting these things everywhere. All right, as you guys could see, I went ahead and the nails go straight in. This is what they look like, finished product. I just hammered all the way down there, and I definitely recommend picking up these galvanized stakes.